Hello, in this quick video I'm going to tell you how you can change country and language in the Amazon app. Click the Amazon app and then press the three stripes down in the right corner and then press Settings and then Country and Language and then Country Region, and then you can choose what country, region, department you want to shop from. To change language, press Language, and now you can choose your preferred language. If you for some reason need to change the country where you live, you can press the dot up in the left corner and then you can choose the country you live in. And that's how you change country and language in the Amazon app. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.